should say this at the airport. Not, I go vacation. Say, I am here for tourism. Repeat, I am here for tourism. Good. Now sentence 2. I will stay for 5 days. Repeat, I will stay for 5 days. Very good. These sentences are useful at immigration. Let's continue. Sentence 3. Here is my passport. Repeat, here is my passport. Sentence 4. Here is my boarding pass. Repeat, here is my boarding pass. Sentence 5. I am traveling alone. Repeat, I am traveling alone. Sentence 6. I am traveling with my family. Repeat, I am traveling with my family. Good. Now let's practice a short airport conversation. Listen first. Officer asks, why are you visiting? You answer, I am here for tourism. How long will you stay? I will stay for 5 days. Where will you stay? I will stay at a hotel. Now repeat after me. Why are you visiting? I am here for tourism. How long will you stay? I will stay for 5 days. Where will you stay? I will stay at a hotel. Great job. Now let us learn more useful sentences. Sentence 7. I did not understand. Repeat. I did not understand. Sentence 8. Could you repeat that, please? Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Sentence 9. Could you speak slowly? Repeat. Could you speak slowly? These sentences help when you feel nervous. Let's continue. Sentence 10. This is my hotel booking. Repeat. This is my hotel booking. Sentence 11. This is my return ticket. Repeat. This is my return ticket. Sentence 12. I am here for business. Repeat. I am here for business. Now listen to a longer conversation. Officer asks, what is the purpose of your visit? You answer, I am here for tourism. Where will you stay? I will stay at a hotel. Do you have your return ticket? Yes, this is my return ticket. How long will you stay? I will stay for 5 days. Good job. Now repeat the important sentences one more time. I am here for tourism. I will stay for 5 days. I will stay at a hotel. This is my return ticket. Could you speak slowly? Excellent. You are ready to speak English at the airport. Practice these sentences again tomorrow. Slow practice is strong practice. Subscribe for more calm and easy English lessons.